just get home from vacay and your Solana won't start up, so you feel like this? All right. Well, never fear, because Toy Brokers is here. Begin by removing the seat to access the battery. Look downward at the terminals. Behind the red cap, you will see a little power switch button. Give that button a press, and your battery will be reactivated. Now you can get back to doing what you love most. And if you have any other questions, feel free to give us a call at your local AZ Toy Brokers store. Thanks for being a part of the Toy Brokers family. We hope you have a great rest of your summer.